Okay, so this is a couple days later. Generally changing the cam sensor on a 7.3, you can either go in through the top, which I've never found works very well, or the bottom up through. You remove the belt so it gives you a little more room. Could get on it, could not get it to budge, didn't want to break it off. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. I had the extended wrench on it. And if you don't ever, you buy one tool, one cheap tool in the world, buy this. Let me just, I'm gonna do this one-handed. Watch this. Okay, so it extends out to like a small breaker bar. And you can put a lot of pressure on this because I have really put the pressure to this before. So it's just a cheap, I think it was $17, Stanley. Just there's probably different varieties of them out there. Oh, that works pretty well. So anyway, so the bolt head, this is a clip that holds the sensor in place. It's supposed to look like, let's put this down. Oh yeah, the sensor's still in the truck because that is stuck in there. So this is what it looks like. We did some modifications in that one to get it out. I literally had to heat it. I tried the mini torch, couldn't get enough heat to it, broke out the bigger torches, and got some heat to it. So that bolt, let's go to the hardware, and I gotta get another 10 millimeter fine thread bolt. So let's get down in here. Get the light out of your eyes. Let's turn that where we can see. Okay, so basically we're right here. And you can't see it. It is. Let's see if I get my hand in there. You gave me some of my hand. It's roughly right here. And it's stuck. Just like everything else on the truck. So I had to remove the alternator bracket, the pulley assemblies for the tensioners, just to get to the bracket so I could heat it and get it out. So the next job is we're going to pull the sensor out itself. I soaked it with some solvents to see if I can loosen it up. It's on an O-ring. It didn't want to move, but nothing wanted to move on this. So just the story way it's go. One little tiny 10 millimeter bolt and about 2 hours and a half of, well, an hour really to take it out. Another hour and a half trying to get it from the bottom when it wouldn't move, and slipping and cutting my knuckles and doing everything else. So I bit the bullet. I bit it, and we pulled the front part so we can get to it. So I'm going to get that out. I'll show you what that stupid little sensor looks like after it's been heated up and burnt with a regular set of torches, and hopefully we'll have this all back together and I'll show it to you running. Okay.